In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM with Zendesk. If you already use both Zoho CRM and Zendesk, connecting them helps your support team and your sales team work from the same information. You will be able to streamline how tickets and customer records relate, so you spend less time switching between systems and more time helping customers. To begin, open Zoho CRM in your browser and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Next, click Setup. You will find this as the gear icon in the top right corner of the Zoho CRM interface. This is where most integration tools and application settings are located, so it is the right starting point for the connection process. After you click Setup, take a moment to look through the menu and find the section called Marketplace. In many layouts, it is listed among the available options within Setup. Click Marketplace when you see it. This area is specifically designed for discovering and installing add-ons and integrations, including the Zendesk connection you want to set up. Once you are inside Marketplace, you will see options for viewing available applications. Find the option labeled All and click it. This step matters because it ensures you are searching through the full library of integrations, rather than only a limited list of featured or recently recommended items. Now that you are viewing all available items, locate the search bar. Type Zendesk into the search field. After you type it, select Zendesk from the search results. Be sure you choose the Zendesk integration specifically, since there may be other related tools or similarly named items. With Zendesk selected, the next step is to install it. Click Install. At this stage, Zoho is going to add the integration into your Zoho CRM environment. If you are prompted for permissions or an installation confirmation, follow the on-screen prompts so the integration can be properly added. After installation starts or completes, you will be taken to authorization. This is the step where Zoho CRM connects to your Zendesk account, allowing them to communicate securely. Click Authorize your Zendesk account when you see that option. During authorization, you may be asked to sign in or confirm access in the Zendesk authorization flow. Follow the prompts carefully and use only the intended Zendesk account for your organization. When authorization is finished, go back and check that the integration shows as connected or installed. Depending on the interface, you might see status text or a confirmation message indicating that Zendesk is authorized and ready to use. This is an important moment because it confirms that the connection step succeeded before you move on. Now that Zoho CRM and Zendesk are linked, your next work is typically configuration, such as mapping records or deciding how the integration should behave. However, for today, we are focusing on the connection process itself, from opening setup all the way through authorization. To recap, you started by clicking Setup using the gear icon. Then you went into Marketplace, switched to All to search the full list, typed Zendesk into the search bar, selected it, clicked Install, and then authorized your Zendesk account. Each part of that sequence is needed so the integration is available and then properly connected to your Zendesk tenant. De mog eder harfaif mitiv vich gemidoan de lamith